Hi, I'm Brandon, your certified Lexus technician, and today we're going to go over changing differential and transfer case fluids. Your differential is a set of gears that allows the power to go from the drive shaft to the wheels, and to keep it cool and to keep it lubricated, we have run a fluid, a gear oil in there, which we recommend changing every 64,000 kilometers because it builds up metal filings and we don't want that to wear out your differential prematurely. So we've got a plug up here that we use to drain it. To drain it, has a magnet on it. As you see, it has a bunch of little metal filings on there, so that's why we change the fluid, so we can get rid of all of that, because that will cause your gears to wear out. So we drain all the fluid out, and once the fluid's drained, we'll fill it up with it. So once we have it drained, we clean off the magnet, put a new gasket on, and put the drain plug back in. And then we do the same for a drain plug. Put a new gasket on, and install it in there. And that's changing differentials.